Alright, in this video, I would like to show you how to ask questions on Sakai. Alright, so whenever you have a question, you can just go to Sakai, so log in to Sakai and find your course here. So this is Math 108, so click on that. Alright, so I'm going to actually view it as a student. You don't have to do that, but here. So you will see the same thing. So if you have a question, you go to Ask Wataru. So click on that. All right. Then if you have a question in section 1.1, so you can click on 1.1. Right, then there are already some there. So if you have a question, you can just click on Start a New Conversation. Right, then the title, this works just like an email. So we can say if you have a question on, so you can probably say homework number 1 and question number 3 or something like that. Then you can however you want to describe your question, you can say I am stuck on homework number 1, problem number 3. That'll be enough. And then you can just post. All right. So you can see that there's a post there. So what I'm going to do is as soon as I read your question, I'll try to respond. So I'm just going to respond like this. And usually I respond with a YouTube video, or I can say, well, I can write whatever and put a response. Alright, so I usually the YouTube video is going to look like this. So I'll just do this one. Alright, so you can see that here. This is like a sample. I'll actually do the actual problem, and I'm going to have to stop that. And then put it on YouTube so that you can see me doing the same problem. Alright, so that's how you ask questions on Sakai. So whenever you have a question, use Ask Wataru feature instead of the Ask My Instructor on my math lab. Since I monitor Ask Wataru more regularly than ask my instructor on my math lab. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.